Considered as a person of interest in the murder of.
Well, here we are, live, Lakeport, California. Some of these photos were taken as early as February the 8th, and here we are all the way into the 20th, and still anticipating more and more and more rain.
Yeah, watch all the trucks can make it.
Really?
I would love, like, if there's one nearby to smash through.
Yeah. Something else though, huh?
Look, it says no trespass except ducks. It can
This is crazy.
That
I
little
can't
boat over
believe
here
this
by
water
the
is way up
cape
here.
and shit.
Robin Slough, the lake is getting ready to touch the road. It's creeping up. I watched it because we live in Lucerne. So every day we drive, we've been seeing it go. I'm going to take a picture for Facebook tonight because it's like fingers. The lake is going to touch.